Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact board model and current BIOS version. This matters because flashing the wrong file bricks the board. Once done, download the correct CAP BIOS to a FAT32 formatted USB stick and place it in the root directory. Make a backup of any custom BIOS settings and your system drive. If you use RAID or custom OC profiles, export them. Plug only essential devices into the PC, so you minimize variables during the flash process. You reboot into the UEFI by pressing Delete and navigate to the Easy Flash 3 utility in the Tools menu. Once inside, locate the BIOS CAP file on your USB stick and select it. The utility verifies the file and displays version differences so you know what changes. Start the update and watch the progress. The board will write the image and reboot several times automatically. Make sure the PC remains on mains power and avoid keyboard or USB changes while flashing. After the update, you must load optimized defaults in UEFI, then reapply any custom settings or profiles carefully. This prevents hidden incompatibilities. Check that the BIOS version matches the expected release and confirm drives, memory, and CPU are detected correctly. Adjust boot order as needed. If the board fails to post or shows corrupt BIOS, use the USB BIOS flashback feature if available or clear CMOS with the jumper or battery. These recovery steps often restore functionality without service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.